Hi everybody, welcome to our 30-day BodyTalk Cortices tapping challenge, and this is day 22 out of the challenge. So far, I would love to hear to see if there's anything that has shifted for you, any improvements, any visible improvement that you can tell, stress levels reduced, concentration, improved sleep patterns, whatever it is that's been going on and it's better for you. Please let me know. Make a comment under each of the videos that you would like to tell me about or where you experienced the change. For those who don't know me, my name is Adriana Barros. I'm a certified BodyTalk practitioner, and I practice the BodyTalk system. For those who do not know the BodyTalk system, it's a very broad yet comprehensive system that is designed to align mind, body, and spirit and really promote internal health regarding everything that we are living in our daily lives. So we connect the emotions to those events. We look for imbalances in the body mind and what is that caused the communication between brain and different systems in the body to get interrupted, to get compromised. And this is all done through me communicating with the body through applied kinesiology. And once that's done, it's going to give me a list of answers based on a series of questions that I will ask the body through a protocol chart that works as a GPS and let me scan for imbalances within the different systems, body parts, mind of the individual. Once that comes in for me in the form of a formula, I will have to integrate it into the body through tapping of the three brains. And that's head, heart, and enteric brain around the navel area. And once that's done, healing starts happening automatically as deep as cellular and quantum levels. And the results really are meant to shift and to correct the problem so it doesn't recur. Sessions due to different principles in BodyTalk, and especially due to quantum physics, it's possible to address the individual from distance, meaning I don't have to have hands-on anybody that I work on in order for the person or the animal, because I work with animals too, to receive the benefits of the session. So anybody can receive BodyTalk from every country or any country on the planet. It doesn't matter where you're at. The same way that I do group sessions, as you can see, there are group sessions in my channel that you can connect with that energy of what's being addressed. And once your connection is made, you also receive. And you can also tap the technique, the formula on yourself after listening to the recording or where I tell you the tapping is taking place, and you receive the benefits the same. Even if you don't tap, you still receive. You can be sleeping and I could be working on you and you can still receive. You could be in a coma, you can be having a seizure or passed out, and I can still make you receive. So it doesn't matter. Regardless, you receive the same, okay? Now, I would like just to illustrate a little bit and speak about how BodyTalk works on the body. And BodyTalk is considered a complete and deep healing system because it does work from all levels down except for one. The bliss level in the body is the highest level that makes us connect to the source, to God, to whatever you can think of a higher power, a higher connection to you. And people who function from that level actually heal themselves. They allow the body to promote self-healing due to being connected to the source. The ones who are more influenced by the environment and from the daily living, they start functioning from the second level down. The one below that is the supramental. The supramental works where therapies that works on the consciousness directly work from, such as BodyTalk, for example. And so we look at the bigger picture. We don't focus on the symptom, we focus on the root cause and on the individual as a whole, and that's under the supramental level. The mental below that one is the mental level, where when we work with the mind, with the egoic mind, with subconscious mind, belief systems, and attitudes, thoughts, and psychotherapy and hypnosis work from that level. So if the imbalance is on that level, those therapies can work fine and you will heal. If you are receiving therapies up to that higher level and you still have problems, the symptom hasn't healed, hasn't subsided, then it's because the imbalance could be on the higher level, which is the supramental level. The level below the emotional level is the vital level, and that's where the all known as energy therapies work from. So acupuncture, chiropractic medicine, or homeopathy, Reiki, you name it, they all work from this level. And if you are imbalanced, your imbalance is on the vital level, then yes, if you receive therapies that work from that level, can function on you perfectly. And mind you that both all the mental, the vital levels, they all work using the Cartesian method, which is the method that looks at different body parts in our body and treat them separately so you can heal. The level below the vital level is the physical level, which is the more dense level that really works on matter and try and change matter. And this is where Western medicine works from. So when you go to your doctor, when you're given a pill, medication, and receive a surgery, that's exactly where it works from, because it focuses on the symptom and it try and change the symptom. By addressing the symptom, the intention is to change the body. And this is Cartesian method once again. So BodyTalk works at the highest level possible that any therapy can work from in order to promote internal healing within the body-mind. And so BodyTalk, because of the broadness of actually looking at the body at all aspects possible, has a higher rate of actually shifting, addressing things faster, addressing things on a deeper level. And it's just a more complete way of addressing the body. BodyTalk works on animals, it works on people, it works on plants, it works on the planet. I personally work with people and animals, either hands-on or remotely. And in case of animals, I don't work hands-on them, but I use a surrogate or the caregiver in order to connect with the animal, or I work from distance altogether, and I connect with people when I do a group session, for example. Okay, so back to the Cortices technique. The Cortices technique is a very important technique in BodyTalk, the main technique in BodyTalk, because in BodyTalk we use a series of different techniques as well in order to address what we need to address in the body-mind, because it does connect the two hemispheres of the brain, that communication that gets interrupted under stress. We reboot the neurocircuits within the brain to make everything reset and start functioning again. And also we establish that straight communication between brain and body, and everything in between, everything inside the body starts receiving the signals again. So we reboot reset that communication and stop the interruption and make everything starts functioning again. And every condition that we know of start in the brain. So everything that we experience on your physical body, it starts on the brain. So BodyTalk is active directly on the brain, and that's why it's easier to make everything shift. Okay, so the cortices is going to connect the two hemispheres of the brain, kickstart that communication, and start promoting changes right there. So let's demonstrate the cortices technique. Place one hand behind your head on the base of the skull, and the other free hand is going to do the tapping, and either this way or this way. And you're going to tap for 2 full breaths on the head, on the heart, and on the belly button area. So that's the heart brain, the head brain, the heart brain, and the enteric brain. 2 full breaths so we can do the scanning of all the body parts internally. And move up another hand position when you're done with the 2 breaths until we cover the whole head. And the deep breathing is going to do the scanning of the body parts that need to be clear of cold spots. All right, so we're clearing the cold spots in the brain, and we're clearing also the blockages within the different systems in the body. And we are also enhancing the functioning of every single different brain position or brain activation or function. When you get to the very top, we're going to tap on the hand and on the other 2 brains, so head, heart, and tummy area. Deep breathing. So when we are inhaling, we are getting in touch with life, that's chi or prana, and when we are exhaling, we are letting go of all the blockages, of the restrictions, and everything that doesn't serve us anymore. Then we're going to connect on the sides, so the 2 sides of the limbic brain. Let go of one hand and tap. Connect one more time, and that's the cortices technique. So it takes only 2 minutes to perform the technique. Make sure you make it a habit and use it to your benefit. Okay, share with whoever you find that needs some healing today, and so when they get to my channel, they can watch all the videos, learn in details how the BodyTalk system works. I have a series of videos on that, and also a couple of free sessions on there as well. Okay, and I'll see you tomorrow for our next video. Take care.